Okay, now as I said in my last indoor growing update, I'm going to split this one up into 4 pieces. The soil is drying out, so I'm going to moisten it up again. You can see it's quite root bound, huh? It's a piece of metal that I was trying to turn into a machete one time. So I'm just going to see if I can cut down through this. Like this. And like this. So I've got a quarter of a piece here now. Let's see. And I think I'm going to cut just this much off the roots. Like this. I am though going to put this in the bottom. It'll decompose now. I had to put a little bit in and pack it down every time because I want to make sure that it gets right to the bottom of the container, right? Now how much do I need? A little bit more. That's that one. This one I add some cloth in, so I'm going to bring this one back upstairs. Nope. That one should do wonderfully upstairs. I need to make some more potting mix, so I'll turn off the camera right now. While I'm at it, a few videos back I was talking about, or I mentioned, the spaghetti squash that I had growing in the sunroom, that I had stored in the sunroom, and one of them had some rotten spots on it. So what I did when I went to bake it, I took out the seeds, and the ones that seemed to be maybe fully developed, I sowed those. So I'm going to see if they'll sprout now. Put 10 of them in here. Well, that one's damaged by the looks of it. Maybe on the next indoor growing update I'll let you know how it worked. Actually, I should spray the top of the seeds as well. There. Now that I have 4 bunches, I can put them in the different areas that I have the indoor grow areas and see how they respond to each conditions. I'm going to trim this one back, I think. This is the one that I'm leaving in the grow room. And there's so much dead on it. Just cut it way back. And let it grow again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.